Okay, I think today we are going to draw a very simple, basic little fish. So here we go. Little bit of an oblong circle going on here. We're going to do a little fin right up here. And I think we'll do another little fin right at the bottom. And then we'll do a fin off to the side, just a little one here. And then we have to put in that tail. And that'll be just a couple of little shapes like this, very basic. There we go. And then of course we got to get some eyes going here. Very basic little circles. And then just a small mouth, nice little smile. Do a little lower lip, even though they don't have lips. Like I always say, cartoon is a cartoon. And there you have it. You pretty much have your fish roughed in with the pencil. Now we're going to do the eyes with our marker. There's one. Get that other one. Let's do the bottom part of the circle here. Come up to where that fin was. We're just going to go over where this tail is going to be. There we go. I'm going to finish this off up at the top. Just go around. Finish this fin up here. We'll leave this part open up here. There we go. We'll do this little fin on the bottom. Do this little fin on the side. Do the little half moons for the eyelids. We'll draw these eyes in real quick. Then we'll put the mouth in. That'll be really easy. Fill in the mouth. There we go. We'll put in a couple little gills right here on the side. There we go. And then just little tiny little scales all around. Doing a couple little lines going through the fins here to give those a little detail. And there you have it. You have yourself a completed fish. You just got to erase those pencil lines and you are good to go. You have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you for the next one.